Hey, what's up, my AI enthusiast? So now, I don't have much time and I don't have much time too. However, there's some new AI tool I've just discovered. It's actually very wonderful, and I wanted to just show you guys how what it does and actually what you can do with it. So I have no much detailed video about it. However, if you follow along, I'm going to create a detailed videos very very soon. So this tool I've just discovered, I want to just show you guys briefly how it works or how you can use it. Some people already know it, it's not that brand new. Some people already know it, and it's my first time discovering it also. So now in this channel, what I talk about AI tools, AI trends. So if that's something that might interest you, please go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you find an AI tool, please always put in the comment section. I always go to the comment section, always test this AI tool, and then if I find something wonderful, I always share with you guys. So now, with much further ado, let us get started. So the tool I wanted to show you guys is called Genspark AI. So to do that, we're going to go to Google and type Genspark AI. You can use your phone or you can use your phone or another browser or Chrome. But me, for my sake, I'm going to use Chrome. So it's going back. You're going to type in Genspark AI, and so after that, basically it's like that AI workspace and does everything. It's like a all-in-one tool. That's like the tool I talked about that time, LM Arena. It is all in one, does everything. So even same to this one has everything. We can go ahead and see all what it does. We can see that it has open close, that's slides, that's sheets, that's docs, designer, each and everything that you could ever want an AI tool. So I'll go ahead and subscribe and sign up to it because there's no AI tool. No one can give you access to a tool and use it for free without subscription. So let's go ahead and I mean not subscription but signing in. So let's go ahead and sign in. Or you can sign up if you don't have an account yet. I've never used it in this account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to use Google. I also recommend Google because of the tracking time, the security, and all those. I would recommend signing up with Google instead of the email. So once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and continue. Once that is done, I said I don't have much time. I'm not going to do a very long video for this one. So I'm just going to show you guys simply what it can do for you and how it can be important, and then you can go ahead and use it. So you can also get free credits. You can see you can just follow them on X and then they give you free credits. There's lots of things. Even there's creating a spreadsheet. Actually, let's go ahead and see if you can get this free credits by creating a spreadsheet because it is pretty wonderful. So we can see you can share it with teams, you can share it with other people. Just go ahead and share with it. If you have a lot of team, you can actually work. Like you understand? So you work together. There are lots of things. Now there's Drive that's connected to your Google Drive. There is the open cloud, there's workflows. As you know, workflows, that's the feature. Automation. So now there's AI music, AI video, AI meeting. Some of these are paid for, some are free. However, for me now, let me just go ahead and create a spreadsheet. And then I see you actually that the tool is actually pretty wonderful. So also shout outs to the designers of this AI tool. I don't know who they are. I'm actually just going to learn more about them. Then I create a very long detailed video about Genspark AI. So here, so as I said, I want to just create a Google Sheet. So I'm just going to tell it to create me a Google Sheet. Actually, I'm supposed to put sheet. I don't know why I call it Google Sheet. Google Sheets. So Google Sheets on the most subscribe. So basically, that is it. It goes ahead and starts working on it. So I'm going to pause this video. I don't want to waste much of your time. All right. So basically, after that, we have actually created our Pixel files. As you can see, it just goes ahead and created. I'll put that for this video because it takes roughly, I think, 2 minutes. So you go ahead after that. You go ahead and click export. You can also open it from here, but I'm going to choose export. I'm not always a fan of. I'm going to go ahead and view in Drive. You can download or you can view in Drive. No, not that Drive. I want actually meant to Google Drive. But after you can hit download, after downloading, let's go ahead and open it. All right, so now I want to view it. I'm going to go ahead and open it on Google Sheets. Click open the file. Then you're going to upload this video one I've downloaded. I'm going to drag and drop it here. So we'll give it some time. So once that is done, you can go ahead and open it. So you can see how it has done it in just less than actually 10 minutes. It has gone ahead as I've given it a prompt. I told it, create me what? Create me a sheet on the most YouTube channels in the world. On the actually, I meant the most followed YouTube channels in the world. It has gone ahead and it has created for us this top 5 most subscribed YouTube channels of 2026. And actually, as you can see, it has given it to us. It has given a pie chart. It has given this. So basically, that's what I wanted to tell you guys about AI. To go ahead and try it out. Go ahead and test it out. And also consider subscribing, as I'm going to make a very long detailed video on how you can actually use this tool to help you in your business, do what. I'm also still studying it. So if you have any AI tool, go ahead and put in the comment section. I will give you a shout out once I test it out. I find it useful and I will recommend to the audience. So that comes to the end of our video. With that much I said, I'll catch you in the next one.